Welcome to PT3 Spotlight. I'm Randy. I want to take a quick look at Sudheer Putti's PeopleSoft Project Insights. This is a very cool tool that I think will help documenting and investigating PeopleTools projects in your shop. This is a downloadable HTML page that reads a PeopleTools project and provides analysis and reports on all the objects. Does it upload your project to the cloud? No. Does it send the project to somebody else's web server? No. Does it run 100% on your local machine? Yes, it does. Download the HTML page from Sudheer's GitHub site. Open it up in the browser of your choice. First off, you see that it has a light and dark mode. Whatever is best for you. I like light mode for looking at details. Save your PeopleTools project to a file, open the project folder, and drag the XML file to the drop zone on the page. PeopleSoft Project Insights immediately ingests, decodes, and analyzes the entire project. Here you see project names, descriptions, and timestamps, object counts by category and action, and then a breakdown by every object type. At the bottom is a list of every object in that project. We can drill down to the code in objects such as SQL objects, PeopleCode records with views, and style sheets. We can filter and report by object type. And speaking of reports, it provides a CSV listing of the objects with the types decoded in English. It also provides reports for all the selected objects to include SQL and PeopleCode listings. I've worked in shops that every PeopleTools object in a project must be part of the spec and documentation for promotion. This tool would make that requirement a cut and paste exercise instead of the huge, ugly SQL statements with 100 decode and case statements that are currently floating around many shops. Sudheer's PeopleSoft Project Insights is free and open source. It's a serious cool tool for PeopleSoft developers. Check out Sudheer's documentation and video on PT3 Spotlight. And by the way, this tool does a whole lot more than I covered right here. Maybe this can streamline some of your development workflow. And while you're at it, give Sudheer some thumbs up and stars on his GitHub repo for creating this tool for our community. Do you have a cool tool or project you'd like to spotlight on PeopleTools Tech Tips? Contact me and we'll work together to get it posted to the community and PT3 Spotlight.